Are you looking for the best powerful juicers for carrots in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best powerful juicers for carrots that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the CJE-1000. If you're looking for a juicer with a white chute that makes it easy to insert large fruits and vegetables with little or no cutting required, the CJE Cold Press Juicer is a great choice. This slow masticating juicer prevents rapid oxidation and as such extends the shelf life of the juice you obtain. Moreover, its powerful 250W motor means that the juice from each of the pieces is fully extracted, so you are only left with dry pulp at the end. Users love that this juicer comes with a fine strainer for pure juice and a rough strainer for those who are looking for juice with more pulp. Moreover, the CJE Cold Press Juicer has a second filter that strains out the foam and pulp for extra clear juices. Unlike many of the carrot juicers on the market, this one is very easy to set up and use, and taking it apart only takes a couple of minutes for a fast cleaning process. You also receive a cleaning brush, so you can eliminate all the fruit debris quickly and easily. As you would expect from this type of juicer, the CJE Cold Press Juicer comes with multiple accessories and a comprehensive instructions manual. All the parts are made from high-quality anti-oxidation food-grade materials. Users raved about how good a job this juicer does at collecting pulp for easy disposal, and they also like the solid feel and look of the appliance as well. Moving on at number 4. We have the Hamilton Beach 67951. If you don't want to spend too much on a juicer, but still want great results for all kinds of vegetables and fruit, the Hamilton Beach 67951 is one of the best choices around. This horizontal masticating juicer creates high-quality fresh, cold-pressed juice while being less noisy and more energy-friendly than other juicers of its kind. Many users notice that because this is a masticating juicer, it creates the results and less separation than centrifugal models. This is an excellent choice for juicing greens such as kale and spinach, with users raving about how it extracts up to twice more juice from these. Moreover, this appliance is suitable for making soy, rice, or almond milk. The Hamilton Beach 67951 comes with a recipe booklet, so you can get started right away, but you can also create your own combinations. Users raved about how easy it is to clean this juicer because it is easy to dismantle the parts and place them in the dishwasher, except for the base, that is easy to wipe clean with a damp cloth. Other reviewers mentioned that the machine feels sturdy and even though the chute doesn't look too large, it is easy to insert fruit and vegetables for a quick glass of juice. Finally, many users mentioned that the machine is not very noisy and that it doesn't consume too much energy thanks to its 150 watts motor. At number 3, we have the Mooka Juicer. The Mooka Juicer is a slow masticating appliance with a small counter footprint that makes it ideal for those who don't have too much space in the kitchen for a regular size juicer. According to users, it can easily handle hard vegetables, soft fruits, and leafy greens, and it comes with multiple selectable juicing modes for each of the items you want to use. Because this is a masticating juicer, it has a low-speed juicing system of 80 RPM, which contributes to keeping all the nutrients from being destroyed, and it also minimizes the oxidation process, so your juices will have a longer shelf life. The appliance is only made from BPA-free detachable parts and you can easily clean each of them in the dishwasher. Users like the fact that this juicer is quiet, with the motor noise being less than 60 decibels. They also love the fact that the Mooka Juicer comes with a free recipe ebook upon purchase, so you can get started right away. According to those who tested the juicer, most juices last for up to 72 hours without signs of degradation or juice separation. A reverse function is also available to prevent clogging, but the manufacturer recommends that you cut everything including carrots into large pieces instead of using them whole. At number 2, we have the Tribest Slowstar SW2020. A well-designed juicer that comes with a wealth of attachments for mincing or creating healthy nut butters and sauces. The Tribest Slowstar Slow Juicer and Mincer SW2020 is a versatile appliance that is not cheap but certainly brings high performance to the kitchen. With a powerful 200W motor, this juicer comes with a homogenizing attachment for butters, fruit desserts and sorbets, and a separate attachment that transforms it into a mincer. This means that you can use it for tasks such as mincing herbs or grinding coffee beans, which are not things that you can generally do with a juicer. Unlike many of the other juicers for carrots on the market, this one has a dual-blade double-edged auger for enhanced performance, which means that the machine cuts and crushes produce 2 times better than those with a single-edged auger. Users love that the machine comes with a juice cup to prevent leaks and drips and that you can simply close the cap and add some water to pre-rinse the machine before cleaning it up. The Tribest Slowstar Slow Juicer and Mincer SW2020 has a generous 10-year warranty on the motor and parts, and it comes with a recipe booklet to get you started right away. Users mentioned that because the machine makes high-quality juice with minimal oxidation, you can expect a shelf life of up to 72 hours for all your drinks. And finally at number 1. We have the Cuisinart CJE-1000. A user-friendly mechanism, notable juicing speed, and natural taste of juices make Cuisinart CJE-1000 more appealing for juicing enthusiasts. The juicer equips a sturdy motor of 1000 watt power to let you enjoy the incredible taste of fresh vegetables and fruits from your own home. A large chute can easily accommodate whole pears, apples, and other larger vegetables and fruits. Cuisinart CJE-1000 features a highly efficient motor and 5-speed setting for enjoying more customized juices. Use a lower setting for soft and watery fruits like oranges. The higher speed will do the best with harder ingredients like beet or carrot. The juicer is made of quality and food-grade materials which give durability and healthier juices together. The blue LED light helps to control the dial. Foam-reducing filter basket reduces your efforts to enjoy a glass of healthy juice. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.